Drone battery charging hubs enable fast, safe multi-battery charging, improving efficiency and flight readiness. My today's video is about top 5 best drone battery charging hubs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cynova Drone Battery Charging Hubs. This DJI charging hub is a compact and practical accessory designed for DJI Mini Series users, including Mini 4K, Mini 2, Mini SA, and Mavic Mini drones. It allows users to charge up to 2 drone batteries simultaneously, making it more efficient for extended flight sessions and reducing downtime between uses. A standout feature is its two-way charging capability, which also lets you power smartphones or tablets through USB-A and USB-C ports, adding extra versatility beyond drone use. This makes it a handy multi-purpose charging solution for travel or outdoor shooting. The hub features a sleek, lightweight, and space-saving design, making it easy to carry as part of your drone gear. Built-in safety protections against overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits ensure reliable and secure charging for both batteries and connected devices. Overall, it's a convenient and travel-friendly accessory that improves charging efficiency while keeping your DJI batteries ready for action. Now our second product is Amazear Drone Battery Charging Hubs. This DJI Mini Series battery charging hub is a highly efficient and practical solution for drone users who need fast and reliable power management. It supports simultaneous charging of 2 batteries, and with a 65W charger, both batteries can be fully charged in around 75 minutes, making it ideal for extended flying sessions. It is compatible with DJI Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro batteries, and even Skyrover X1 batteries equipped with a smart protection chip. The hub ensures safe charging by preventing overvoltage, overcurrent, overpower, and overheating issues. It also doubles as a mobile power source, allowing users to charge smartphones or other devices via USB output, adding extra versatility. The compact design not only makes it easy to carry but also helps safely store batteries while displaying power status through simple indicators. It even helps manage battery health, though users should note that new or long-unused batteries may need activation before charging. Overall, it's a safe, fast, and travel-friendly charging solution for drone enthusiasts. Our third product is DJI Drone Battery Charging Hubs. This DJI battery charging hub is a highly efficient and convenient accessory designed to streamline battery management for drone users. It offers storage, charging, and power accumulation in one compact unit, making it ideal for both travel and field use. When paired with the DJI 65W portable charger, it can fully charge an intelligent flight battery in just about 45 minutes, significantly reducing downtime between flights. The hub supports sequential charging of up to 3 batteries, eliminating the need to charge them one by one and improving overall workflow efficiency. In addition to battery charging, it also functions as a mobile power bank, allowing users to charge devices such as DJI goggles, smartphones, and other USB-powered gadgets. For optimal performance, it is recommended to use it with DJI 65W portable charger, DJI 65W car charger, or other USB power delivery chargers. Overall, it is a practical, time-saving, and versatile charging solution for serious drone users. Now number 4, FPVtosky Drone Battery Charging Hubs. This DJI Mini Series dual charging hub is a compact and efficient accessory designed for Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, and Mini 3 drones. It supports both 2,453 mAh and 3,850 mAh intelligent flight batteries, allowing 2 batteries to be charged simultaneously. When paired with a 65W PD charger, it can fully recharge 2 3,850 mAh batteries from 10% to 100% in about 75 minutes, making it ideal for quick turnaround during flight sessions. A standout feature is its smart button control, which lets users check battery levels with a short press or activate discharge mode with a long press. It also functions as a portable power bank, offering USB-A and Type-C ports to charge smartphones, controllers, and other devices on the go. Built-in safety protection ensures stable operation with real-time monitoring of temperature, voltage, and current, while preventing overcharging and short circuits. The clear LED indicators provide easy-to-read charging status, making battery management simple and reliable. And our last choice is Lktop Drone Battery Charging Hubs. This 100W DJI battery charger is a powerful and versatile charging solution designed for drone users who need speed, safety, and convenience. Featuring 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it supports PD, QC, and PPS fast charging protocols, allowing multiple devices to be charged simultaneously with high efficiency. With a true 4-in-1 design, a single 100W USB-C port can deliver full-speed charging, making it feel like using 4 chargers in one compact unit. The foldable plug design also enhances portability, making it easy to carry and store during travel or field use. Built with advanced GaN technology, it ensures stable power output while maintaining intelligent temperature control to prevent overheating. This improves both charging safety and long-term reliability. Even during heavy use. It offers wide compatibility across DJI drones, batteries, charging hubs, and other USB-C devices, making it a flexible all-in-one charging option. Overall, it is a fast, compact, and reliable charger ideal for professional and hobby drone users alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.